What do you mean by a closed coiled helical spring? Let us take a helical spring whose helix angle is very small, are said to be a close coiled helical spring. In any helical spring, if the helix angle is very small or negligible, in any helical spring, if the helix angle is very small or negligible, then the spring is said to be a closed coil helical spring. Thus, in a closed coil helical spring, the helix angle is nearly equal to 0. Now let us take a look at its features. In a close coiled helical spring, the spring wires are coiled so close that all the turns touch each other. It is subjected to torsion only because the bending stress is negligible compared to the torsional shear stress. It is generally used as a tension spring. Some of the examples of a close coiled helical spring are the spring of the side stand of a bike and the spring of a weighing machine. Related terms are a close coiled helical spring subjected to an axial load and a closed coil helical spring subjected to an axial twist. Question. Remember keywords. Related terms are remember diagram, remember definition,